Get a feel for the 2018 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control. Feel energized every time you take the wheel of this handsome Sorento. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.